Hello class! Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay titignan natin kung meron tayong given points of a circle, center -2, 5, and radius is equals to 5. Pagka kinuha natin yung equation of this circle in standard form, titignan natin ay kung mag-represent tayo ng 0.34, determine if 0.34 is inside the circle, B on the circle, C outside the circle. So, yan ang titingnan natin kung yung point na 34 natin na to, considering the given radius and center natin of a circle, ay kung mapupunta ba siya sa loob, mismong doon sa circle, or nasa labas yan ng circle. Okay? Substitute na natin yung value natin na to ng center and radius dito sa standard form. X, -2 yung h, so dito magiging positive 2 sa equation. Y, positive 5, magiging negative 5 dito sa equation. R square, 5 square. So this is R square. Ngayon, i-substitute na natin agad yung 34. Kung ang magiging sagot nga ba niya is 25. So yung pinaka-concept natin dito, kung yung R square is equals to 25, if it is below 25, yung makukuha natin value dito sa left side of the equation, inside the circle. Pagka naman parehong-pareho siya, 25, ibig sabihin on the circle. Lastly, pagka naman sa bandang left side of the equation is greater than 25, ang sagot natin is outside the circle. Okay, substitute na natin yung value na point natin na to, 34. Five square, we have 25, plus -1 square, 1. So since 26 is greater than 25, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, mas malaki itong nasa bandang kaliwa, hindi inabutan ng R square yung point na 34. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin is outside the circle. Halimbawa, kung mangyayari dyan, kung magiging less than inside the circle, pag equals to 25 on the circle.